The Empty Bowl program provides awareness to the many individuals in this community that are hungry day in and day out. I'm not talking about just a few individuals, I'm talking about families, I'm talking about young children, to get people engaged, to provide support to Barnabas so they can keep their food pantry program to meet the needs of every individual so they don't have to go to bed at night in an empty stomach. Barnabas, their mission and vision aligns with Baptist Health. And when we talk about it, we have a lot of similarity. We are here to meet the physical and emotional needs of those we serve in this community. And together we're able to establish that through the health services, through the clinic, and also as a supporter for the well-being of our residents that live here in our community.
The Empty Bowls is one of those things our property has participated in since the beginning. You know, it's also, I understand, one of the largest pieces of the fundraising for Barnabas, and it's very, very important. So our company, the Ritz-Carlton, we have what we call community footprints, and we have 3 pillars that we truly try to contribute back to the community, and one of those is poverty. The other 2 are environment and children. Barnabas has been a 20-year partnership for this Ritz-Carlton. You know, it's been very important for us. And our organization actually, you know, our ladies and gentlemen have been participating for over 20 years with them. But this past year with COVID particularly, a lot of our ladies and gentlemen, you know, were helped by Barnabas. We had a lot of people, like all businesses, you know, that basically were furloughed and laid off. I'm sure many of those parents were worried about how they were going to take care of their families. And many of them did use Barnabas in the organization. So, you know, for 20 years we've helped, you know, the organization help others. And this past year, the organization actually helped our ladies and gentlemen. So it just goes to show how important these partnerships are. You know, when we can help others, we do that because we never know when we might need that help ourselves.
Barnabas goes to where the need is in Nassau County to deliver food, medical care, and hope to the people who need it most.
And I thank God for the Barnabas Center. I just thank God. I'm about to cry. I thank God for that.
Barnabas is more than a building. It's a mission, a belief that everyone deserves access to affordable health care, food for their family, and dignity in their everyday life.
We are the safety net healthcare provider of all Nassau County residents. We provide a medical home for those patients here, providing chronic care, disease management, and acute care, and work with them to improve their health day in and day out.
Now I just finished 7 weeks of radiation, and Barnabas helped me through all of it. With no insurance and not old enough to get Medicare, I don't know what I would have done. I really don't.
I had COVID and diabetic ketoacidosis. So I was in ICU for 5 days. Now, if it hadn't been for Barnabas beforehand and me being able to take care of myself medically, then I probably would not be here.
Barnabas is the only place in Nassau County for people that don't have dental insurance and don't have the means to get dental care. People are treated like they would be treated in a private dental office.
I only have a certain amount of income every month. It's limited. So thanks to Barnabas, I'm able to get the services that I need at a very low, affordable rate.
And our new-to-you resale stores in Fernandina, Yulee, and online help us fund a number of programs for the community. Barnabas goes to every corner of Nassau County, but we don't do it alone. It's with the help of Nassau churches and volunteer groups that gets the food, medicine, and assistance to where it's needed most.
Para mí, mi experiencia, la verdad, para la comunidad más que nada y para mi familia, es muy importante Barnabas.
Our church is located in Kings Ferry, Florida. We have a bunch of elderly people that lives in the community, so it's kind of hard for them to go from here to Fernandina. So Barnabas assists them by coming out here. You can't explain how much Barnabas helped this community. I think they are doing something that is outstanding.
Barnabas is neighbors helping neighbors. We connect people to help, to hope, to each other. Thank you for supporting Barnabas.